If you're having problems on numbers 5 and 6 in your practice problems, then this video will go over an example that should help you with that. So if we look, our expression is 1/5 a plus b squared, where a equals 3/4 and b equals -1/7. So with the information that we're given about a and b, we need to substitute those values into the variables. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring down my 1/5. And then if I want to substitute a, which is 3/4, I'm going to put that in place of my variable here, but I need to put it in parentheses because parentheses is going to mean multiplication. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my b, so plus, and then my b value is -1/7. So that is going to go in place of my b here. So if I do parentheses, -1/7 parentheses, my square is going to go on the outside of the parentheses. So then what we can do is if I switch over to my Desmos calculator, the calculator will help me solve it. You could try to solve it by hand by multiplying the numerators, which would be 1 times 3 to get the numerator result, which is 3, and then 5 times 4 is 20. So you'd get 3/20, and then you could solve the other fraction. So that would be good practice for you. But it is totally okay to use a calculator. So in order to solve this, we can use our fraction button. So over here on the right, I have this a over b. So I can use that to type in my 1/5. And then you want to make sure you click out beside it to get out from underneath the bottom of the fraction and do parentheses, 3/4. Parentheses, plus, parentheses, -1/7. And then your square is over here on the left, and then that'll square the whole thing. It will automatically calculate it for you, or you can hit enter to make sure that it solved it. The other nice thing is you're not going to want to write out this entire number, right? So we can convert that into a fraction by hitting that button over on the side. So that converts it back and forth between a decimal and a fraction. So then this would be our answer, 167/980. So if I go back here, I can just put 167/980 for my answer to this problem. Okay, so hopefully that will help you with numbers 5 and 6 in your practice. Have a good day.